Today we're going to be cooking the best hot chocolate on earth. Dominican style, baby. Chocolate, cinnamon, and ginger. It's not so pretty, but I bet it's tasty. And you know what they say? If it's Dominican, it's tasty. Sugar, oat flour, and salt. And the secret surprise. One of these. 3 glasses of water. In my case, because for 3 people. Just pour 2 and leave the last one till the end. Turn on the oven. At max fire. 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks, depending on your taste. And wash them well before you pour them in. Ginger, we're gonna wash it as well. Then just smash it down. It's gonna be even tastier this way because we wanna subtract all the essence. Throw it in. 2, 3, 4. This depends on your taste as well, but we're gonna use 4 because it's for 3 or 4 cups. Throw it in. A little bit of the secret ingredient. Just a little bit. It's just salt. And some oatmeal. It will also depend on your taste. Just try until you get it. This will make it a little bit heavier so you can taste it better. I mean, that's what I think. Throw it in. Mix it up. And wait until it boils for around 15 minutes. Once it boils, we're gonna lower the temperature down to half or less. Once it starts doing this, we're gonna lower the fire. A little bit less than half should be enough. And just put the top like this so it breathes. Yummy, yummy. Of course, it's not complete without bread. So we're gonna make sandwiches as well. Canela? My daughter wants some of it. Just take it, lady. Thank mommy. Okay. Let's check on the chocolate now. We've got customers already. Get out of the kitchen, lady. Okay, don't go, I love you. Once it's like this, we'll add the chocolate. In this case, 3 is more than enough. We shake it. And I think it's time to add that last cup of water. The fam is watching Wally on the living room, that's why it's so noisy. There you go. Shake it up, shake it up. Micael, estoy grabando un video. Shake it up. Okay, let's let it melt. Put the top on it and wait around 10 minutes. Come back and mix it every once in a while until all the chocolate is melted. Just shake it up, shake it up. Someone's desperate to get that food, bro. Do some quality checks every once in a while. Delicious. Now let's just shake one last time to make sure all the chocolate is melted. And we're gonna let it rest until it cools off a little. You don't wanna burn your mouth or your children's, which is worse. And this is the final result. But you can see that steam going up. And of course, we can't miss the cookie on top. Delicious. Now the best part. It's not your turn, lady.
Está muy rico. Y caliente.
See you in the next one.